matatagpuan sa mataas na lugar ng Tansa, Cavite at malapit sa Pure Gold Tansa, Pamilihang Bayan ng Tansa, SM Rosario at marami pang iba. Tuloy po tayo sa 2-story townhouse Lisa model na may 36 square meter floor area, matibay na steel deck flooring system. Lahat rin po ng bintana ay may aluminum sliding windows with steel window grills. May matibay na high quality flush metal door na mayroong deadlock sa main at service door. Welcome to Wellington Residences by Durabil. Ang maluwag na 2-story townhouse na ito ay may provision for carport, 3 coats of paint for exterior walls. Sa loob po ay may 1 coat of paint. Ito po ang itsura sa loob ng ground floor actual turnover unit. Gawa po sa bakal ang ating hagdan. Nasa likod na rin po ang tiled kitchen counter with stainless steel kitchen sink. Kompleto na rin po ang ating maluwag na toilet and bath. Meron na po itong ceramic tiles, wall hung lavatory, handheld shower head, toilet with flush water closet, at gawa po sa PVC ang pintuan nito. Second floor po, meron na po tayong partition. Gawa po ito sa steel frame fiber cement board.
Durabil kasi sir, meron pong expansion from Wellington Place, meron naman siyang Wellington Residences. 18.6 hectares, 2,416 units. May dalawa tayong unit dito na nauna, bali 5 block. Ang unit po natin dito is Sandra with blocks and Lisa regular.
Plenty more that could be said about this home. For more information, please contact our team. I am Justin Espelenbergo. Thank you for watching.